YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can curl the ends of your braids. I'm going to be using some hair grease, some yarn, some thread, and I'm going to be using some rods. You should also have 2 thick towels on hand. One is to place over your client's shoulder and the other one is used to soak up the water after dipping the hair. The first thing you should do is add some hair grease to the ends of the braids that you're about to curl. Everything is nice and smooth now. Let's get started. So the first method is crinkled or wet and wavy. You just grab a section and you start braiding down. You can braid tight or you can braid loose, whatever your preference is. And at the end of the braid you tie a small knot just to secure it and avoid it from unraveling. If you were doing a full head of braids, then it would look something like this. The second method is somewhat like a spiral curl, so we'll call this one the spiral curl method. Wrap the yarn 3 to 4 times around the point that you want your curl to end. Then continue wrapping in a spiral motion all the way down to the end of the braid as far as you can go, leaving just a little tip so you can push the spiral up. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So when you get to the end of the spiral curling, then you're gonna use that piece of hair to push upwards. The yarn, you're not doing anything with it. You're just pushing upwards with the piece of hair. I hope I'm doing a good job explaining. It should look something like this. And now you tie a small knot at the bottom to keep it from unraveling. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing but with the thread. So wrap it around to seal the top off, and then you just go around like a spiral. don't forget to make that knot at the bottom. So for the third method, we're going to be using the rods, and it's pretty simple. You just twist and roll. So we're twisting first and then we're rolling as we go. You can also do it this way, where you twist it first and then you roll it onto the rods, whichever one is easier for you. So there you have it, all three methods and all three different curl patterns. So now we're gonna dip it in hot water. Make sure to use boiling hot water. Use the towel to absorb as much water as possible from the ends of the hair before blow drying. And please let me know which one of the methods were your favorite. Now cut the braiding hair right above the knot that you made. And this is what wet and wavy looks like on a full head of braids. Now cut the braid right above the knot, and you can pull them apart to separate them. And this is what spiral curl would look like on a full head of braids. Did you notice that the spiral curl method reduced the length? What spiral curl would look like on a full head of braids. can clip a little bit off the end to make it prettier. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. Bye.